Hello friends, this is our third video on Power BI dynamic dashboards. In first video we saw how sales number can be analyzed in detailed manner in various possibilities with Power BI dashboard. In our second video we saw how KPIs can be measured through dew point analysis with Power BI. Today in this video we will see how Power BI dashboards can be used for budgeting and forecasting. So this dashboard gives a glimpse of actual numbers for a particular period, that is 2021, forecast for the next period, and what will be the difference between the actual and the forecast. Now this forecast has been done based on 6 assumptions, that is the demand compared to current year, unit price compared to current year, unit cost compared to current year, increase in salary, marketing and admin expenses compared to current year. Based on all these assumptions that we make, the forecast will change, and so will the differences between the actual and forecast. So here we have assumed that the demand will increase by 14% as compared to current year, and the unit price will increase by 10%. So if I just change any of this assumption, you can see the forecast number has also changed. Similarly, if I increase the unit cost, you can see my COGS has increased and my profits has decreased. So this will help you to forecast very easily and adjust your assumptions accordingly. Now these 6 tables are based on the assumptions that you are making here, and are just the visuals of each and everything. So this is a donut chart for the actual expenses, which shows the COGS is 82% of the total expenses and rest are the other expenses. And for forecast, our COGS will be 85% because we have increased our unit price by unit cost by 22%. Now these functions we have used for budgeting and forecasting. Similarly, it can be used for multiple other manner also. That is it for this video, friends. Thank you.